Well, did you see some of this today? These are pictures of the snowflakes falling in Happy Valley. Thanks to Kelly, who sent this in to news@coin.com. And if you missed the snow today, or if it missed you, no problem. I've got more snow in the forecast. In fact, that could be quite a significant amount. I'll keep you up to date on that. Let's take a look at where we're headed this evening in our 24-hour forecast. As temperatures drop tonight, we will go below freezing, and that's linked to skies that are starting to clear. The clouds beginning to break up, and so the showers will be ending here shortly if you still have any. Tomorrow, patchy fog. Otherwise, expect to scrape the windshield. We'll have pretty widespread frost. And then the east wind picks up as the day goes on. And by this time tomorrow night, it should be windy around Portland. Outside right now, a live look at the buildings in downtown. It's 37, and the east wind, not a big factor. But that will be the wind that gets us and really creates some dangerous wind chill this week. Current temperatures in the 30s across the metro area. It's kind of a gradual cool down right now because the clouds are still overhead for most places. But look at this, east of the Cascades, we've got temperatures already below freezing. This is the cold air that's going to form the east wind that goes through the gorge and over the Cascades and gives us the Arctic blast as the week goes on. Today was our warmest day of the week, highs in the 40s west of the Cascades and 30s a lot of places east of the mountains. All these numbers are headed down. What about the last showers? Well, the last batch just now leaving the metro area. We still have a few showers kicking over the Salem and Silverton area, moving off towards Staten as well. And my main concern with those is just that the roads are going to freeze a lot of places later tonight, so that could lead to slick roads there. Another storm is offshore, but this thing misses us because high pressure bubbles up and keeps it away from us. So we're starting to pull in cooler and drier air from the north and northwest, and that's the first stage, I guess you'd say, of our cool down. But I wouldn't really consider that the Arctic blast. What brings us the Arctic blast is the unusually cold air coming out of Canada down through Washington and Oregon, and then spilling over the top of the Cascades and especially through the gorge as we go through the next few days. The Arctic blast then really, in my book, gets going tomorrow later in the day as this east wind switches on. So here's what I expect for tomorrow. The east wind ramping up across the metro area. And in the morning it'll be fine, but in the afternoon it turns windy. By evening, wind is east 15 to 25, gusting to 40 miles an hour, and those winds are even stronger near the gorge. And by the way, tomorrow's the first day of the east wind, not the last day. So here's what I expect temperature-wise in the metro area, starting in the 20s and headed for the upper 30s for highs. If you don't have a lot of wind, you don't have less over here on the west side, you may actually make 40 degrees for the last time this week. Same thing on the east side. We're going to be in the 20s most places to start. Highs only in the 30s, though, most areas, and that's true across southwest Washington and up to Columbia County and Scappoose. Along the coast, 40s tomorrow for highs, but 20s for morning lows. Below freezing in the I-5 corridor, but patchy fog is possible in the morning. And east of the Cascades, temperatures coming down in your high temperature department through the gorge. And not much wind for Hood River, but gusty east winds here at Cascade Locks and breezy over Mount Hood with a possible flurry. Otherwise, just partly sunny skies. Now check out the next 3 days. Tonight, the skies are gradually clearing. That finishes up tomorrow as the east wind increases. Wednesday's windy with a morning wind chill in the teens or lower. And then Thursday, I think actual air temperatures some places could drop into the single digits in the valley or the metro area. Other than that, we need to turn our attention to the weekend. And right now what I'm tracking is the possibility that moisture gets here Saturday. One of our forecast tools say, it'll be in the morning, and others says the afternoon. Timing doesn't matter right now because it's so far away. The point is, it looks like we're going to get some snow on Saturday before we transition to some sort of wintry mix. You know how we do that around here? Yeah. And that can get messy. So I will keep you up to date as I continue to get new information, every few hours on what to expect this coming weekend.
Okay, that's a big transition day, Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday's the day to watch.
All
Yes.
right, thank you, Bruce.
Okay.
Still to